Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 18th, 2025, we're providing an in-depth analysis of Google stock. We'll begin by examining recent news headlines and financial reports impacting Google's market performance. Recent reports suggest strong advertising and cloud sales, indicating a bullish outlook. However, some analysts express caution due to the increasing competitive landscape and macroeconomic uncertainty. Let's transition to the charts for a closer examination. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a recent period of consolidation following a significant price increase. Notice the consistent higher highs and higher lows over the past month. This suggests growing investor confidence in the company's future. We can identify potential support levels around the $180 range. Resistance might exist near the $200 mark, representing a psychological price barrier that the stock must overcome. This resistance was tested recently but overcome. The higher volume suggests strong conviction in the buyer's side. The volume is low for most recent day, so caution should be exercised. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to look for immediate intraday support and resistance levels and price action trends. Here we can observe some smaller trends which might represent short-term buying or selling opportunities. The candles are a mix of positive and negative changes which indicates the short-term uncertainty, but it could also represent a sideways consolidation pattern. Now, let's delve into the 15-minute chart for a more granular perspective on recent price action and short-term reversals. Here, we look for intraday signals and patterns to potentially anticipate short-term trends, possibly in the time frame of minutes. We can see some candlestick patterns which could be interpreted as bearish or bullish. Therefore, we must examine the context before making a decision on trade. In summary, the overall trend for Google appears to be bullish in the long term, supported by positive news regarding the company's earnings. However, short-term price fluctuations suggest some level of uncertainty. Key price levels to watch are the support around $180 and the resistance near $200. A break above $200 would likely strengthen the bullish outlook, while a fall below $180 could lead to further short-term corrections. Keep an eye on volume as a confirmation factor and be wary of any unexpected news that may cause significant price swings. The likelihood of Google reaching $200 in the short term, next few weeks, is moderately high, contingent upon sustained positive news and increased trading volume. Conversely, the possibility of a short-term correction below $180 is somewhat lower if buying pressure prevails and overall market sentiment remains positive. It is important to note that these predictions are based on technical analysis and current news. Unexpected events could significantly alter the trajectory. Things to watch for in the coming days and weeks include any significant announcements from Google, particularly concerning AI-related projects and financial reports. Any changes in macroeconomic conditions that affect the advertising market and wider tech sector should also be closely monitored. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough due diligence.